How to set full size photo in WhatsApp DP? Open the WhatsApp application and tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this drop down, tap on settings. Here you have to select the profile which is at the top of the screen. Again you need to tap on the camera icon on its profile. And from here you can either choose the profile photo for your WhatsApp DP from camera, gallery or the avatar. For now I am selecting from my gallery. Just tap on gallery and select any photo of your choice. Suppose I want to set this photo as my WhatsApp DP, but as you can see that I am not able to set this photo on full size in my WhatsApp DP. So what can I do is just you need to get out from this WhatsApp application and go to the gallery and open the same photo. Once you open the same photo on your gallery, you just have to tap on edit icon. And now you need to tap on crop. Here at the right hand side you can see the crop button. Tap on the crop and set this picture on 1:1 ratio. After that, tap on tick mark at the bottom right corner. Once you have done that, tap on the save button at the bottom right corner again. Once the picture has been saved, you need to go to WhatsApp again. Once you go to WhatsApp and tap on three dots, go to settings again and the profile. Now tap on camera icon here and choose the same photo that you just cropped just now. So when you select the same photo, as you can see that it has been saved to full size. Now tap on done button at the bottom right, and here it is guys. You have already saved full size photo on WhatsApp DP. So that's how we set full size photo in WhatsApp DP. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.